topic. Can I go ahead and cancel this log base 5?
No.
No, because there's number attached to the front. So that's a common mistake that people did. What should I do first?
Move the 2 terms in front, the 3 and the 4, and make them exponents.
Yeah, those two are exponents. So we move it back, and that will give me log base 5. X to the third power equal to log base 5, 7 to the fourth power. Now we can do what? Cancel. So the time you can cancel is if they only have one term on each side, and then they have the same base. All right? Now, x cubed equal to 7 to the fourth power. I am solving for what? I'm solving for x, so I need to undo that cube, right? What's the opposite of x cubed? You need to take cube root both sides. Very good. Cube root both sides. There's a reason I didn't multiply the 7 to the fourth power yet. Because when you take a cube root, it means you need how many as a group to get out? 3. So on the side it's cancelled out, but here I have 7 times 7 times 7 times 7, right? A cube would say I need 3 to get out. So this will get out as 7. And then I have cube root of 7 left. And they want the exact answer. So I don't want to see a decimal answer for this, okay? This is the final answer. Question on this one. So that's another question was not on the quiz that you need to know how to do. Solving log x plus log x plus 2 equal to log 15. So I don't see a base for this log. What does that mean?
10.
If you don't see a base, it means base 10. Very good. Okay. What should I do? Can I cancel all the log? No. Why not? Because in order for me to cancel, it has to be one term on each side with the same base of log, right? I don't have one term on this side. I have 2 terms. So what is the first things that I need to do? Combine them as a single log. How do I do that?
Addition becomes multiplication.
You have addition need to turn into multiplication. Okay, so it would be logged log of what? X times x plus 2. Okay, when I get to here, can I cancel the log? Why not?
Does that have a base of 10?
Both of them have base of 10. So when can I cancel? When I have
The
same base, and then also on each side I only have one log. So can I cancel? Yeah. Now we can. Because it's one on each side, right? And they have the same base, right? Are we okay? All right. So now we do what?
Distribute the x.
Very good. So we got x squared plus 2x equal to 15. And then how do I solve that? We want to set it equal to 0. So we did cancel log before that. Set it equal to 0 by moving the 15 to the left-hand side. X squared plus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. And then now what? You can use AC method, or if you know how to factor quicker, you can do that also. So take a minute and see if you can factor this. Anybody figure out the two numbers? 3 and 5, and the middle is positive, meaning
So negative 3.
the 5 is positive, this is negative. And we can check it real quick, like x times x is x squared, negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. And then the outside we have positive x, subtract of 3x in the middle, then it's positive 2x. But if you want to go through the AC method, it's perfectly fine too. So x equal to what? 3, or x equal to negative 5. Final answer? Just 3.
It can't be, like plus or negative.
Yeah, so we want to see where the x is. So x is in the what position of log? Answer of log. So base of log and answer of log need to be greater than 0, right? So we have put a negative 5 here, we make that negative, so that's not okay. But if we put a 3 here, that's okay. And then we put a negative 5 here, that would not be okay, it's still negative. But if we put a 3 here, that would be fine, right? So we cannot keep that because the answer of log need to be greater than 0. Is it okay? Just one answer. They like to put something like this on the final also because you have to check it and you have to factor it. So it requires a lot of algebra skills and a log properties, stuff like that.